bottom line is that's not what that person, the recipient, wanted. Isn't that right? I think that happens a lot with couples. You know, I mean, it would be very obvious if I bought me a 67-piece tool kit and said, "Here, honey, I love you. Here's my gift to you." How many times is she going to open up that gift and pull out the drill? Once to drill me. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes people give gifts that get regifted. And the worst part is when you give a gift to somebody and next year they give that same gift back to you. Yes. Does that happen to anybody in here besides the First Lady? Huh? Not yet? Yeah. But the best gifts